Our latest test instruments allow you to automate your production line by quickly associating your products with pre-programmed test files via front panel barcode connection. Our barcode feature will improve your efficiency and ensure each of your production line products are tested correctly. We'll begin by initializing the barcode feature. At the home screen of the instrument, insert the USB barcode scanner cord into the barcode port on the front panel of the instrument. A device detected message will appear while the barcode scanner is initialized. Once the device detected message appears on the screen, touch Enter on the screen. The next screen will set up barcode functionality. Select Settings. Select Barcode IP menu item. Let's pause to define and choose a barcode setting to use that will best fit your testing needs. There are 5 barcode menu options available: Off, Serial Product, Serial Number, Product Number, Run File. Off. Barcode functionality is disabled in the off position. Serial/Product allows you to barcode scan both serial and product numbers and pull up the correct test file by matching product name with the test file name. Please note, these are case sensitive. Serial number allows you to scan and store only the serial number for the test. Product number allows you to scan product name or number. Product number will pull up the correct test file by matching product name with the test file name. Please note, these are case sensitive. Run file allows you to pull up the test file by matching the scanned name with the stored test file name. Once the device under test barcode is scanned, the instrument will start the appropriate test sequence. Please note, these are case sensitive. We will now show you how the barcode feature works. For this demonstration, we are going to select Serial Product to demonstrate the auto file loading capabilities of the instrument. Select Enter to move to the next parameter. Select Auto Start and switch this setting to On. This will allow you to run the test file by doing an additional scan of the product name or number. Return to the Home menu by selecting the Home icon. Next, select Setup Test. Select Add File and choose a file name that will match exactly to the product name that will be scanned during testing of the product. Select Add Step and configure the test parameters according to testing requirement for this product. Select the Perform Test icon on the bottom of the touchscreen to go directly to the Perform Test screen. Once at the Perform Test screen, scan the serial number barcode of the device under Test. The scanned serial number will now display on the screen. Next, scan the product number. Your product number should match the file name exactly. The screen will update to show both the scanned serial and product numbers. With Auto Run set to On, you can now scan the product number one additional time to start testing your device under Test. With the Associated Research Barcode Scan feature enabled, you can improve your efficiency and ensure each of your product line products are tested with the correct test files every time. For additional videos to improve your safety and productivity, refer to our YouTube channel, AR Hypot.